The Ojas MedTech Accelerator program is a unique program that's designed for medtech startups that have a prototype with some initial data and are now ready to propel themselves to go to market. There are many challenges for a medtech startup as it moves from a prototype to a market-ready product. The first among them is funding. Then the question becomes, how does one scale up? And finally, how does one complete clinical validation studies in order to prove the efficacy and safety of a product before one can launch in the market? And when one has completed all of the validation studies, the question is, how does one actually commercialize the product?
Our main benefits of working as part of the Ojas Accelerator program has been the access to expertise, not just in deep tech, but also in science and in biology.
The Ojas MedTech Accelerator program will support startups working on a variety of different products, so long as there's a technology piece that is core to the product and the solution solves some problem in healthcare, such as disease detection, diagnosis, prevention, screening, or well-being.
Ojas MedTech Accelerator is a much needed one in the long business cycles of health tech startups. Especially in the beginning of the startup life cycle, it is amazing to get mentored by people who understand the stuff much better. My strategy mentoring sessions focus on giving your passions the right set of tools to achieve commercial success.
Dr. Surikant Shetty has been a mentor since the review of the program. He kind of accepted to play the role of a mentor. And our journey, it was great learning, sitting with him and talking about spectral analysis and so on and so forth.
I am incubated at Ojas MedTech Accelerator. After getting incubated here, we have partnered with Serious Gaming Lab, who were working almost 3+ years on the post-stroke patients and how a serious gaming can help them for the faster recovery. So what we did, we basically taken their research output and productize it and taken it to the market. So our market turnaround time was pretty fast by having the partnership with this gaming lab.
Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship is really helping a lot of entrepreneurs and wannabe entrepreneurs to nurture their ideas from ideation stage to commercialization stage. Current Ojas MedTech Diagnostics and Devices Acceleration Program is really helpful to nurture them for each step of innovation process by support of several business mentorship programs and also collaborative partnership with a lot of institutions like us, so that these startups can actually get all sorts of help from various agencies.
Apart from getting the business coaching and tech mentorship, startups of the Ojas Accelerator also get an opportunity to be a part of the MedTech consortium, which includes physicians, clinicians from different hospitals, researchers, biotech companies, regulatory bodies, government, and so on and so forth.
We have been accelerated as part of the Ojas MedTech program of CIE IIT-H a couple of months back. And in this small stint that we have been working with them, we have received huge amount of support from Dr. Radha and all other people like Sonali and everyone else around in the MedTech hub over there in CIE IIT-H. As part of the program, we are learning a lot every day.
We are participants of cohort 2 of Ojas MedTech Accelerator, and it was really useful for us. They helped us a lot in giving the right connections and the right mentorship in terms of connections in the ecosystem to go to market.
Ojas Accelerator is a 6-month cohort-based program where we start with the kickoff day, where the need is assessed and the milestones are set, and then it's followed with the mentoring sessions from IIIT professors. The tech mentorship is done. So once the startups achieve all these milestones, then we also help them in introducing to customer, whether in terms of licensing or in terms of manufacturing and distribution.
Early stage startups that are about 6 to 12 months old, they just have their initial prototype built, have an understanding of what kind of market are they going to go after. Those are the ideal startups to apply. Please do apply, and in 6 months we hope to accelerate you and get you kind of speeded up in your journey.